let us begin. Ta-da-da-da! Hello friends. In this video, we will learn how to practice some simple drawing exercises. Ta-da-da-da! Friends, I know that you all like to draw and paint. When you draw any cartoon, fruit, animal, you have to always draw some shapes, right? Sometimes you have to draw circles, squares, and at other times you have to draw rectangles or ovals and curves. If you can draw these shapes neatly, it will be so easy to draw whatever you want. So my dear friends, before you draw anything, it is very important to learn to draw shapes. Is it difficult to draw shapes? Oh, not at all. I know friends, what you are thinking. Will you be able to draw neat shapes after practicing these exercises? Okay, let me tell you something. When you play football or cricket, you can play better after practice. In the same way, you can draw better after these simple exercises. Let us begin then. Okay, let us take a fresh page for the circle. Take a pencil and start drawing circles like this. Draw them again and again without leaving your pencil, okay? And don't worry, they may not come neat. If you keep practicing, they will soon start looking perfect. Draw it in the anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction. I'm sure you know what that means. You know how the hands of clock move? Tick tick, tick tick, tick tick. Draw circles as you like. Sometimes like how the clock moves and sometimes in the other way. Draw some small circles and then some big circles. Here, there and everywhere. Ta-da-da-da! Hey, you must be finding it very easy to draw circles. Now, you can easily draw shapes of many things and faces. Friends, we are doing this exercise so as to loosen up your wrist. When your wrist loosens up, your hand will move smooth and swiftly. Let us now start our second exercise. We will now practice drawing the figure 8. You all know how to write the number 8. Draw two circles, one below the other. I'm sure after the drawing exercise of circle, you can now easily draw the circles. Now, draw the number 8 without leaving your pencil this way. This is in the anti-clockwise direction. Keep on drawing, which will give your hand a very good practice for curve lines. Then stop at the center of 8 and then draw in the clockwise direction. This will give you a good practice to draw in any direction you want. You can draw another 8 on the page and keep practicing. Enjoying it? See how easily you are now able to move your hand? Oh, our 8 is feeling sleepy. Here is our sleeping 8. You can also draw a thin 8 so that the lines are closer and you get a good practice of drawing lines and curves which are close to each other. Okay, now you have finished practicing 8. This will help you when you draw shapes of persons, animals, cartoons, figures or even simple curves. Keep practicing drawing the circle and the number 8 whenever you have time or before you start drawing. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. Just like exercises make your body perfect, these drawing exercises will make your drawings perfect. Don't forget to tell your friends how important it is to keep practicing drawing simple shapes. I'm sure friends you had fun with these exercises. Bye friends, ta-da-da-da. We'll see you soon with more such exercises. Keep practicing, enjoy, bye-bye.